check our iPhone. Negative world 2. I see my video. Let's check it out. Hello guys, Light Blendy. Today I have another episode of Negative World. So this is cool. Oh, this is... I don't care. It has 0 views. I'm not popular on YouTube because I just started it. Good start. I've got more likes and more views on the other videos. Let's leave our iPhone. Go there. Strange, I made it. Let's go back to sleep.